Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Stencil Kits for Kids is probably one of the most versatile and engaging creative tools you can find for children, offering a fantastic way to boost their artistic skills, improve fine motor control, and unleash their imaginations through countless fun projects, from painting and drawing to crafting and decorating. This video will dive into what makes a great stencil kit and help you choose the perfect one for your young artist. Number 5. Blue Squid Face Paint Kit. It's made with cosmetic-grade, hypoallergenic, and paraben-free ingredients. It's gentle, easy to remove, and safe for even the most sensitive skin. This face paint glides on smoothly with bold, vibrant colors. It's water-activated, quick-drying, and easy to clean up. Perfect for parties, Halloween, or any creative playtime, it sparks imagination and encourages artistic expression. The kit includes stencils and a design book for endless inspiration. Create butterflies, cats, pumpkins, the possibilities are endless. It's a memorable and thoughtful gift for birthdays, Halloween, or any special occasion. It's sure to bring hours of fun and creative expression. What we like? It's hypoallergenic and gentle on sensitive skin. If you're looking for a safe and easy to clean option with a wide variety of colors, this is perfect for kids' parties or everyday fun. This face paint kit is ideal for parents who prioritize safety and ease of use. Number 4. CZONG 21-piece Stencil Set. Introducing a fantastic drawing stencil set. It's packed with over 300 fun shapes and designs to inspire your child's imagination. Let them create amazing drawings and stories. This set includes 21 colorful, durable stencils and a convenient zipper case for easy storage and portability. Everything stays organized, wherever your adventures take you. With smooth edges and soft plastic, these stencils are perfectly safe for little hands. They're easy to use and make drawing fun for kids of all ages. From animals and dinosaurs to spaceships and fairies, it has something for every interest. There are also letters, numbers, and fun holiday designs. It's great for home, school, or travel. This set makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to be a hit. This set is more than just fun, it helps develop creativity and fine motor skills. Watch your child's artistic talents flourish. What we like? It comes with a convenient storage bag and offers a huge variety of designs. If you need a portable and long-lasting stencil set for on-the-go creativity, this is the one. This is perfect for kids who love to draw and color in various locations. What people say? So many hours of drawing fun. They love to make new scenes then color them all. Decent plastic so they should last. This was perfect and I love the carrying case that comes with it. It is perfect for holding my children's other stencils and water pens. I am a teacher and I ordered these for a 1st and 3rd grade classes and I am ordering another for my grandkids. There is a big variety, they are durable and easy to use. They come in a nice packet. Number 3. Stencil Drawing Kit. It's a drawing kit with 25 sheets of stencils, each packed with hundreds of fun shapes and designs. Let your child's imagination run wild. It has letters, animals, sea creatures, dinosaurs, and more. There's even holiday stencils for Halloween and Christmas. Made of soft, thin plastic with no sharp edges, it's perfect for little hands. They're reusable, washable, and work with all kinds of art supplies. These stencils come in 2 convenient sizes, making them easy to slip into a backpack. Your child can draw and create anywhere, anytime. It encourages creativity and artistic development. Watch them have fun drawing and coloring with friends, at home, or on the go. It's a perfect birthday or holiday gift for any child who loves to color or craft. It's sure to be a hit. What we like? This set boasts a massive collection of shapes and sizes. If you want a reusable and versatile stencil kit with lots of options, this is a great choice. It's suitable for kids of all ages and skill levels. What people say? Lots of different shapes and figures. My kids use these with fabric markers to make designs on pencil case canvas bags for their friends and the stencils are great. Even my 4-year-old can use them. There is good variety in these stencils, they are sturdy and easily wipe clean. Number 2. Kids Drawing Stencil Set. It's the ultimate art kit for young artists. This set has everything they need to unleash their creativity. With 14 themed stencil sheets and 300 shapes, it's perfect for coloring, drawing, and doodling. It will spark hours of imaginative fun. It's made with durable, washable materials, so it can withstand years of use. The flexible stencils and pencils are designed for little hands. The convenient carry bag keeps everything organized and doubles as a drawing board. It's ideal for travel and on-the-go creativity. Give the gift of creativity. It's a fun and educational way to reduce screen time and encourage artistic expression. This comprehensive kit includes stencils, paper, colored pencils, and stickers, everything needed for countless hours of creative fun. What we like? It's an all-in-one kit with everything you need. If you are looking for a comprehensive and portable art set for travel or creative fun, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy a variety of art activities. What people say. The stencils are child-safe and made with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. From basic shapes to animals, vehicles, and nature-inspired designs, there is something for every child's interest and creativity. The included carry case is a great bonus. It allows for easy storage and transportation, making it convenient for both home and school use. Number 1. Kipipol 63 PCS Drawing Stencils. This deluxe drawing set comes with a convenient travel bag, perfect for keeping your art supplies organized on the go. It's ideal for trips of any length. It's a fantastic way to boost creativity and hand-eye coordination. Younger kids can learn letters and numbers, while older children can develop their artistic skills. We prioritize your child's safety. It uses non-toxic materials and meets safety standards. Plus, it comes with a lifetime guarantee. With over 260 designs, it offers endless creative options. From vehicles and animals to letters and numbers, there's something for everyone. This set includes 10 scratch art sheets. Let your imagination run wild creating unique designs using the stencils or freehand drawings. It makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. It's fun, educational, and encourages creative expression in children. What we like? It includes a bonus of scratch art sheets and a convenient travel bag. If you're looking for a fun and creative kit with extra features for travel, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who love to explore different art techniques. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.